Are you trying to reheat your candy but you keep burning it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that on the cooktop. Let me introduce myself. I'm the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. So my subscriber, Daniqua, asked, can you show us the dial you put yours on? The first time was high, then my next batch was medium high and still burnt. I may need another thermometer. Okay, Daniqua, you probably don't need another thermometer. You just had your candy on too high. Okay, guys, so when I am reheating my candy, I have my candy on low to medium. When I am making my candy apple mixture from scratch, I usually have it on medium. Reheating candy, you can burn it faster. So it's best to have it on low to medium. Guys, I'm always asked about my candy apple pot. So you can find my candy apple pot in the link below in my Amazon bake shop. Go right on over to my bake shop at www.amazon.com/shop/DIY Queen Diva for all of your bake supplies. And don't forget, we have same day shipping. You don't have to wait forever for your supplies. Okay, so when you're using a countertop stove, so when you're using one of these, I got this from Walmart, this is turning it on. You'll see the light come on. So when you're going to the right, it's turning it on. That's low and that's high. So you want to put it in between low and high, which is probably about medium. So you want to have your dial no higher than medium or towards your low. So as your candy brick hard, you can knock on the door. Don't have any numbers on this, you know, it's all the way hood right now. So I don't have any numbers, but I'm gonna fill this halfway full. So when you're reheating candy, you really don't want it on medium. You want to bring it, this doesn't have numbers. You want to bring it like right here. That's medium, but I'm gonna bring it up towards the low. And I am just going to let my candy cook until it reaches 300 degrees. You don't have to stir your candy or anything, leave it alone. So if you forgot your flavor, you can go ahead and add your flavor. This is about 280, but there's already flavor in this candy apple mixture, so I do not need to add any more flavor. And I am just going to wait until my candy reaches 300 degrees. So guys, so when you're reheating candy, make sure you have it on low to medium. That's what I do. So the lesson that I personally learned was anytime I reheated my candy and it was above medium, my candy would burn. So even with making candy from scratch, I don't go any higher than medium. But when I'm reheating, I really need to have it like on low medium. And that's just my opinion. Okay guys, so my candy has reached 300 degrees. Okay, so 300 is right here. So it has already reached 300 degrees. I'm gonna take this off. So I added a little royal blue and navy blue here because when you reheat your candy, it does tend to discolor. And here's my beautiful apple. I'm just gonna shake it until all the candy is dripped off. And then scrape my apple. And here's my apple. You just hold the pot. You make sure your apple is all the way in the candy. You dip your apple. You bring it up. I'm just going to shake my apple. I'm going to let the candy apple mixture just drip on off. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it. This is the perfect time to try the tilt and flip method. So the tilt and flip I kind of like because you don't have any big bottom candy apples. I love the tilt and flip. Okay. And this is just reheating candy on the cooktop. A great weekend. Bye-bye.